Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. It's 3-valve Wednesday. Guess what? Today, 08 GT CS, 14,000 miles. That's running our most entry-level TVS supercharger, our Edelbrock Stage 0. It's so entry-level, I call it the Stage 0. So I have Doug with me. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to see what this thing makes. It's about 7 pounds of boost. And hey, if you like watching cool Mustang and F-150 videos, like I always say, subscribe and notify us up to date. But let's get started, Doug. Let's go check it out. All right, this car is bone stock besides our Edelbrock. We're going to talk about what's in the package. It is upgradable. We'll talk about that too. Doug, come down, take a look. It's the Edelbrock. It's the E-Force. It's a TVS 2300 style supercharger, which means instant boost when you go wide open throttle. What do you get in our Stage 0 or Stage 1 supercharger package? This is the Stage 0. So we don't even upgrade the pulley over what comes in the kit. So you're only talking about like 7 pounds of boost. But we do include, which is different than like the 50 state kit, the awesome Edelbrock competition cold air intake. You get 41 pound fuel injectors, Kennedy Bell boost pump, cold air spark plugs, the proper calibration, but it's an intercooled kit, which is awesome. And why do we love TVS style superchargers? Instant torque when you go wide open throttle. Super popular on S550s. Still popular on 3 valves, but it's pretty much the only basically TVS style supercharger left. If you have a 3 valve, because we do tons of Paxsons, tons of Vortex, but if you want that instant boost, right here is the way to go. But it's a Stage 0. What's the difference between that and our Stage 1? About 40 horsepower and a pulley swap. That's it. It's the same kit. So we get about 9 PSI of boost on our Stage 1. Like I said, this is the Stage 0. Not everyone's looking for max power. They're both great on a stock engine. But today, this low mile, bone stock exhaust manifolds. This car is stock besides this kit right here. About 7 pounds of boost. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers and we'll take one more look at this sweet CS. 437 roll horsepower, peaking at 6,300 RPM. Torque 418 at 4,700 RPM. I went wide open throttle, right between 2,500 and 3,000, and it's almost peak right away. Look at that graph. That's killer. So what we have here, again, I say entry level. It's our entry level TVS style supercharger. And this is what this client wanted on this great looking, only 14,000 mile GT right here. And you know, we've had so many of these come in lately. They're low mile. That's awesome. I mean, yes, you can install a supercharger with 100,000 miles and actually more miles than that. But we've got so many. It's amazing how many low mile cars are out there come in for a boost upgrade, whether it's our non-HO, you know, our throwback package, extremely popular. Maybe you want Edelbrock, or my favorite, the Novi 2200 Big Boy. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will put a link in this video you can just click on that shows a whole playlist of 3-valve supercharged Mustangs. You can see what kind of power you can get. Maybe you add camshafts, maybe you add headers, which are all possible with all the blowers we have. We have calibrations for that available through email, ship, you know, right to your door. Email you the calibration, ship you the parts. You can come in for an install, email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what's this car cost to get built? We can tell you that price right out the door. But hey, again, leave a comment. Happy to answer. And thank you so much for watching.